Hello, I'm Rashmi Bandari and today I've got my students Samprita and Vibha. Hello both of you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, great to have you and they've both cleared Gain Insights. That's a company which comes for the product role and we finished the drives and we had 4 selects and 2 of them, Samprita and Vibha have come today. So tell me, what was the eligibility criteria?
The eligibility criteria was 70%, ma'am.
Okay, in engineering only or 10th and 12th also?
Only in engineering.
Oh, so they didn't bother about 10th and 12th. And what do you remember the designation? What was the designation, the role? Designation, no. You remember?
Associate
no?
consultant.
Yeah, that's fine. So associate consultant. Associate?
Consultant.
Consultant. And it was open to which all branches?
IS and CS.
Only to these 2 branches, okay. And the very interesting thing is you have an internship with them, right? So,
Yes.
what about the internship? When is it?
In January. The internship will start in January. They haven't mentioned the period of internship, but they said it will be in Chennai.
Okay, and you get a stipend also, right?
Yeah, of 15,000.
So that's really good, because you are actually working, studying and you're also working. So can you tell us what were the rounds?
The first round was aptitude. We had quants, logical reasoning, data interpretation, and some domain concepts, including DBMS and OOPS concepts. In quants, we had all the stream question and the ratio, and also the calendar, the dates.
Okay. Anything else that you remember in the aptitude? How long was it and...
The aptitude round was for 1 hour and basically there was data interpretation question and most test was given on the domain questions like DBMS concepts were asked, questions on normalization and few queries related to tables we were supposed to solve.
So do you remember, can you specify any of those questions that they asked on these concepts?
They were all MCQ based questions, ma'am, and in DBMS there was a table given, student database was given, and then we had to join the tables and find the answer and such questions were asked.
So was it like very difficult or?
No, medium.
Medium.
Not very difficult.
And when do you learn all this? I mean in your second year, third year or?
Throughout, ma'am, like second year, third year concepts were most stressed on.
Yeah, so what subjects would you say were important? DBMS?
DBMS, Python language and data structure concepts are really important.
So everything in that?
Yes, we cannot predict which day will be asked.
Alright, so everything that you study in the college or something which was beyond the syllabus?
No, whatever we study in the college.
That was there, so that was good. So that was easy for you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and did they take a sectional cutoff or how was it?
No, I don't think there was sectional cutoff, like overall.
Overall. And then what was the next round? There was a group
discussion. So there were 4 teams for group discussion. Each team had 10 members. So I was in team 2. The topic of our discussion was vocal for local. So they gave 2 minutes for us to prepare on that topic. Then we started talking. Then after some 10 to 15 minutes of that, she said, yeah, it was good. Then she stopped.
Alright. So how was it? I mean, it's an online group discussion, right? So did you feel comfortable? Did you feel like it's a GD or did you feel it was sort of okay and...
It was like a GD, ma'am. The process went on in the Google platform and we were supposed to keep our camera on and they were monitoring us accordingly. Only when we were supposed to talk, we were asked to turn on our mics, ma'am.
Okay.
We were supposed to keep it muted.
So you all had a chance, like this one will speak, this one will speak, no?
It is the one whoever turns the mic on and starts speaking gets the opportunity.
Alright. So what was the topic for you or your group?
Should the community services be mandatory in India was the topic, ma'am.
Alright. And do you remember the topics for the other groups?
Yes, ma'am. Communication in 2020 was one topic. And such general topics.
General topics. So for these topics, how do you have this general awareness? You read the newspaper or what is it?
We have to be updated with the current affairs and what is going. Just need not be perfect in them, but you should be aware of what is going on, ma'am.
Yeah, and it's very important to speak with facts and figures in GD because it's not a generic discussion. You're all engineers, so that is something which students have to keep in mind because people think, oh, I can speak, but you should speak. It's not like even a 10th standard kid can speak a 12th standard and an engineering kid. Same topic, but the level and the intensity of the topic would be different, right? When you speak with your facts and figures.
Yes,
so there were people who didn't open their mouths also. Was it like that, or everyone spoke?
Yeah, in my team, some of them
didn't speak. Yeah. So actually, it's very surprising that people just don't open their mouths, right? In spite of.
There was it was around for 15 minutes, and 2 minutes was given for us to brainstorm few points that we want to specify there. But once ma'am told us to start with the GD, none of them were ready to start because it was the first time for everyone. None of us had experienced GD round till then. And we started and it went on well. It
Okay.
was not an issue.
Okay.
It went on well. But what I would like to say, audience, is that even if you are, since only 15 minutes was given and 10 people were there, even if you're getting 1 minute to talk, give the best quality that you can. Don't expect to talk for 5 minutes, because even others are supposed to get the opportunity to talk. So whatever you're saying, make sure you're having a good quality when you're saying it.
Okay. All right. Your points are important, right?
Yes.
So then after that, what was the next round?
Next round was technical interview.
So all that happened the same day?
No.
No. Okay.
So in technical interview, mainly they asked about my projects, internship, whatever certifications I've done, and also in what field I'm interested in. So when you're talking about project, you have to make sure that you're like giving all the complete details. Like you know about your project, you should know completely about your project. If you're like if you're someone else did your project or something like that, you won't understand what to talk about your project. So make sure that you know very well about your projects, and also do some certifications, because certifications add up to your resume. And yeah.
So what certification did you do?
I did Python certification. One is NPTEL and one more is Coursera. So both are Python, and I said my field of interest is in Python. So he said, oh, so you have done in that cert.
Okay, so that's very good, because you've not scattered your thing, so you are in depth into that particular topic. So you had questions on Python?
Yeah, so he asked, why do you like Python? So I said basically because it has lots of libraries, and also the number of lines is very less, and it's very efficient to write. Now all other languages you have like too much to write. So in this, like even if you just know the logic, you can implement it very easily.
Okay. And for you, how was it?
It was easy, ma'am, actually. And as he started, he tried making it comfortable and he didn't give a lot of stress. He just asked me about myself first, and then he asked me to explain about my project in detail. I explained him every single thing that was there in the project. I had mentioned 2 projects in my resume, so I had explained him in detail what the project was, and then he asked me what's my favorite subject. And I told him DBMS is one of my favorite subjects, and then he was happy because that was the domain in which I had done my project also.
Okay.
And he asked few questions, like he didn't go in depth, but then he asked some basic questions.
So what were your project actually on, and when did you do this?
This was academic projects, ma'am, which we had done in the 2nd year and the 3rd year.
Okay.
One was DBMS project, and the other one was CG project, ma'am, computer graphics project.
Okay, so can you explain a little bit about your project, just to understand, so which was the most important project that you spoke about, or did you speak about both?
I spoke about both, but I stressed on my DBMS project. It was a crime record management system, like how we came with that idea and how we had ups and downs when we were doing the project and all that we explained.
Okay, all right. And any questions that you remember from your interview other than the projects?
Questions like a few. He had displayed. He displayed a query. He had displayed a table bar. It was a student database table again. And then he asked us to solve some queries, ma'am. He had given us a problem statement, and we had to present our screen. Since the entire thing was going on in the Google Meet, we had to present our screen and give him the answer. We had to type it in the notepad and tell him.
Okay, so it was easy for you, or like was it a panel over there, only one person?
Only one person was there, ma'am, and it was easy. It was easy to medium range.
Okay, okay. Vibha, anything that you remember from your interview, any specific questions that they were asking on?
So they asked about our family and also about our strengths, and you should give an example, like how to prove that our strengths, those are our strengths. So I told my strengths are like when I keep a goal, I'll achieve it, like I'll work hard and I'll achieve it no matter what. So he said give an example, and I said about my entrance exam for Navodaya. So I told an example, like I had written in 6th and I couldn't clear, so I wrote it again in 9th. I had hard work, I put so much of effort, and then I cleared that. And he was like, oh, very good, you have that determination to do. And then he also asked about, then he asked about, like, we are working on these many products, how do you think you will help in that? So I said, as I'm very much, I'm into machine learning, I've also noticed some of your products use artificial intelligence. So then my knowledge will be helpful for improving your products. And also he said, okay, then tell me more about machine learning. He asked questions, basic questions about machine learning. Basically, what is machine learning, or why do we use that? So I answered all of them. And then, he also asked about, am I okay with relocating to Chennai?
So what did you say?
So I said, yeah, I'm okay with the relocation. And also he asked about the bond period, like, are you aware of all these things? Are you okay with that? I was like, yes, I'm ready to.
Okay, very good. So, for both of you all, like, your parents would be okay to send you anywhere?
Yes, ma'am. Just that the situation is a little bad due to this COVID situation. But once everything is everything's fine. I'm okay with it.
You're all right, yeah. So anything that stands out for you during the interview which you want to share with the audience, or like you said, you had a favorite subject, so or something, so that they get some idea, because a lot of second year, third year students are also watching.
It is always important to know about yourself. That is the first impression that you're going to create for the HR. Whoever it is, they'll ask you, tell me about yourself. So if you're not confident with what you're saying about yourself, they'll judge you there, like what you can do for the company. They'll come to know. So it's always good to prepare about yourself first and then go through your projects. Be thorough with your projects. And since we have learned so many concepts in our engineering, it won't be difficult if you are up to date with whatever is going on in the subject, and it is not
Okay.
that difficult.
Anything about the company? They asked, why Gain Insights, and why do you want to join us?
Yes, ma'am. In HR round, they asked about the company. Like, tell me what you know about the company. So I learned a few of their products. So I told these are the products. Then she asked to explain. Can you explain one of our products? I was like, ma'am, I know that you work on these many fields, but I'm not very much knowledgeable in that field. But I would like to learn more. And also she asked about one of their products. She said, I told ClickSense. You're working on ClickSense. I would like to learn more about that. You're partnered with that. I would like to learn more about that. So that's why I'm very much interested in working with you, and also about the artificial intelligence thing. So this is what drew me into your company.
Okay. Oh, very nicely. So you did your homework on the company, and I think you were honest also that you didn't know about those products in depth or whatever. So I think honesty is always appreciated.
Yes, ma'am. The same thing happened with me. They asked me, what do you know about Gain Insights? Since it's the first time it's approaching Sahyadri.
Yes.
So they asked me, what do you know about Gain Insights? Can you say something? So since you had informed us about the Gain Insights coming to our college, so that time I had gone through their company website, and then a few profiles, like LinkedIn profiles, and then Glassdoor, a few reviews I had
Oh, you
just
had seen
read.
that.
Yes.
Very good. So I think the Glassdoor review, LinkedIn, all that is very good to, when you get a clear idea about the company. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
And it is very helpful. You'll get clear insights about what is actually the company about, and if it is matching your interests.
All
So
right.
that was beneficial
Okay.
for me.
So any final tip to the juniors, how to prepare for any company or...
Yes, ma'am. There are multiple websites like Geek for Geeks, HackerRank. You just have to practice on a daily basis, or keep yourself up to date, ma'am.
So when did you all start? So you all working on Geek for Geeks and all that, HackerRank?
Yes.
So since which year did you start?
Since second year, we just from easy level to we have to go to the higher level, ma'am.
Okay.
So it is just it is a consistent process, ma'am.
So every day you put in that?
Not if every day, it's not possible, ma'am, because of our engineering.
All right.
But yes, weekly at least twice or thrice, just go through and keep yourself
Okay.
in a good pace.
Yeah. Anything Viva to add on?
Also, you should know basics about all the topics, okay? Important syllabus and all, important subjects like DBMS, OOPS, DS. These basics you should know very much, because in every company they'll ask the basics. And also projects, yeah, project is very much important. You should know everything about your project and be confident.
Okay. And aptitude?
Aptitude also, ma'am. The training that is provided by our college is actually very good. From the first year, they see to it that we are good with our aptitude skills. And
Yeah. But did you do anything other than that, or did you just stick on to what the college was doing?
No, ma'am. We were practicing on almost on a daily basis.
Okay.
Just we didn't do a lot of sums, but at least 2-3 sums on daily basis is more than enough.
All right.
Just have to be thorough with all the concepts. That's it.
All right. So thank you very much and wish you all the very best.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes. So thank you everyone, and it's bye from all of us till we meet again.